Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon kung paano ba natin makukuha yung complement ng isang angle. So we have here, find the complement of each angle. Sa pagkuha ng complement, para lang yan paghanap ng taong para sa'yo. Hindi dapat sobra at hindi dapat kulang. Dapat sakto lang. Okay? So para malaman natin kung ano ba yung sakto sa complement, ano daw ba dapat ang maging sum ng dalawang angles pag complementary angles? We have 90 degrees. So, dapat ang total ng dalawang angles ay 90 degrees. Paano ba natin malalaman yung ka-complement niya? So, ang gagawin natin ay i-subtract si 63 degrees kay 90 degrees. So, sige, let's solve. So, we have here 90 degrees minus 63 degrees. Yung iba hindi pa marunong mag-subtract ha? Bakit? O, tingnan natin ha. 0 minus 3. Cannot be yan ha. Hindi yan ilalagay nyo na 3 dyan. It's wrong. You have to borrow. Kanina magbabaro kay 9. So, si 9 magiging 8. Si 0, dahil nagborrow ka kay 8, magiging 10 na siya. Okay? Now, 10 minus 3 is, correct, that is a 7. Now, 8 minus 6 is how many? We have, correct, that's 2. So, yung ka-complement ni 63 ay si 27 degrees. Okay? How about si 38 degrees? I-subtract ulit natin siya kay 90 degrees. So, 90 degrees minus 38 degrees. Okay? Kaya ba natin i-subtract si 8 kay 0? Hindi pwede, diba? So, we have to borrow from 9. So, 9 will become 8. Magiging 8 na lang siya kasi nag-borrow tayo. Tapos, nung 0, magiging 10 na siya. Now, 10 minus 8 is how many? Okay, that's right. 2 siya. And then, 8 minus 3 is, correct, 5. So, we have 52 degrees. Ang ka-complement ni 38 degrees ay 52 degrees. Now, you try. What is the complement of 71 degrees? Comment your answer in our comment section. And please don't forget to follow our page and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. Okay?